Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML style guide. And right now we'll be discussing about the HTML comments. Short comments should be written on one line like this. As you can see. Comments that spans more than one line should be written like this. As you can see. Our greater than, our less than and greater than. This one is having this. As you can see. So long comments are easier to observe if they are indented with two spaces. You can easily recognize the long comment, as you can see. So in our document, let's give it some comments. Let's say, for instance, at the top of this body, let's give the body element a comment. Let's just write body goes here. Everything like this. Let's comment it out. I press Ctrl/ to have the auto comment from the VS Code. Benefit of using the VS Code. Ctrl/ on your keyboard. It's going to give you this automatically when you highlight the thing you want to comment. Let's say for instance I want to comment out this H1. I press my Ctrl and press /. Can you see how it looks? So everything you now comment, it's never going to display on your screen. Let's reload our document and see. Maybe it will display. Can you see? We are not seeing the H1 and the comments. Can you see? All this one have disappeared. So that's how we specify comments. So Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, and to the next. Have a great